Hey, what is up, everybody? MoreManeTrades here. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys had a very productive Easter weekend, of which me personally, I had a productive weekend as we had a little Falcon Fusion camp with my bro. But then, yeah, it is what it is, and yeah, we closed off a very productive Easter weekend. Hopefully, you guys also had a very productive Easter weekend. So yeah, today you're joining me on a Tuesday morning, and I've just like closed off a very productive morning routine. It was very productive, and I also finished doing my daily chores early on during the morning, right? So yeah, like the time right now is currently like 11 a.m. and there's some beautiful bits of price action of on euro dollar. Like I'm looking to be taking shots on euro dollar. You guys, if you're trading Falcon strategy, make sure to be looking on euro dollar because it is positioned very well right now. Also the other dollar pairs, like your Aussie dollar, your pound dollar, and euro dollar, obviously, and Kiwi dollar also. So yeah, cause like the DXY right now, it is positioned very good. So obviously we need to take advantage of those movements. We need to take advantage of those movements. So yeah, man, today it is a very big day because I still need to do a lot of things. Like every day is going to be a big day. So like every day is a big day. So like today, there's a lot of things I need to get done today. I need to draw out some plans. I need to draw out some plans for the second quarter and also for the whole year. But then yeah, like that is something I'm going to vlog throughout this whole vlog. You know, so yeah, man, there's something that I'm gonna be doing, right? I'm going to be recreating a Falcon Traders community, not group. It is going to be a Telegram community, right? It is going to be a Telegram community. So it is going to be strictly for Falcon Traders. So it is going to be what? Strictly Falcon Traders, and I will not be leaving any link in the description of the video because people just be randomly joining the group. Like people will be randomly joining the group. So like, yeah, I'm gonna be creating this Telegram for Falcon Forex traders. So if you are interested, message me on my IG and also on TikTok, right? So like message me on my IG and also on my TikTok. The links to my IG and my TikToks are in the description of the video, right? So yeah, man, I'm going to be recreating it because like last year when I had that community, what I realized, like, there was a lot of traders that were not trading Falcon over there. So we ended up being like, someone is talking about SMC, someone is talking about another strategy, someone is talking about another strategy. So it was just an unproductive community. It ended up being a group of traders just together talking random conversations, right? This one is going to be a community, dog. Like, it is going to be a community. That is why I'm not going to be leaving any links in the description because like when it is in the description, anyone is just gonna join it, right? So this one is going to be strictly for Falcon traders. Don't be asking in the comment section or on my IG if it is strictly for Falcon traders. I'm answering you right now. It is strictly for Falcon traders. Strictly for Falcon traders. Right. So yeah, man, that is it. I wanted you guys to know more about that, right? And also you guys who won the 10k assessment accounts. Someone hasn't texted me as of yet, so bro, make sure you text me, dog, because like now is time is gone, dog. Like there's no time. Like you need to be quick with these things. Like you need to be quick. Like you really need to be quick. So make sure to DM me also on my IG, right? So yeah, man. Let me just get started with my other daily goals. Peace.
I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FET, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
So yeah, bro, it's that time of the vlog where I show you what I've got on my watch list. And it's late actually. It's close to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. The day has flown by. Thing is, I was busy with some journaling. And, yeah, I'm about to eat, but I was busy with some journaling and stuff like that. because yeah, as I told you that during the weekend I was with my friend, so we were planning on some few stuff. So obviously I had to do some journaling and stuff like that. Yeah, by the way, make sure to follow my TikTok and my IG because I posted the pictures over there, so you guys can go there and see what we were doing during the weekend, right? So back to the screen. As you can see today, it's a larger screen. These days I just enjoy coming here and connecting the laptop to the TV. Yeah, let me stop yapping, bro. So on my top 6 pairs, I've got pound, dollar, euro. Okay, like I'll just tell you the pair when I'm on it, right? So let's look at price action here on pound, dollar. We're gonna use the doorway system. Falcon traders know it. So positioning, can you see the positioning on pound, dollar? That is a key value area. It's not just a value area, it is a key value area, meaning it has stronger magnets, right? It has a high probability of holding the market, of rejecting, of reversing the market, right? So we then shift to the smaller time frames, keeping in mind that we are at a key value area, right? So what happens when we come down over here? We see that pound dollar hasn't really tapped into the value area, so taking sales as of now would be just trading out of FOMO, right? It will just be a trade driven by fear of missing out. So what happens now? It's like it's forming a continuation to the upside. It's like forming a two touch to the upside, right? So now just look at this volume that is being created over here, right? And then let's go to the daily, right? I want to show you something. Quick tip: look at this momentum, look at this value that is sitting here, which was this reversal pattern. If you know that there's a reversal pattern structure over there. Is there a need for me to draw it out for you guys? Right, this one, you can see by it, right? So quick tip: you see the amount of value that is this side and compare it to that flag that is there. Do you think it is enough to push past there, dog? It's just like general knowledge, like basic knowledge. Do you think the amount of volume or momentum that is being built over there can be able to break past the structure? Clearly, I hope you guys said it is a no, right? But that doesn't completely write off pound dollar buying. We always neutral in the market, and nobody knows what the market will do next. We just predict by focusing on stuff like that, right? So I then come to the 4 hour with that thought in mind that we are at a key value area. So I will be looking for sales over here. If it buys off without me, I will not take it. Why? It is a very risk entry because we are at a buy zone. We are at a sell zone, right? So as of now, I'm just gonna wait for pound dollar. If it maybe buys off from here, it can go there, then come here below here, and I can take my position off from there. Simple like that. But as of now, I'm not gonna take this trade. You can see like 1, 2, 3. There's 3 touches, and then you see your bullish momentum candlestick, and then your stop loss is below over here, below the wicks. Then you see your entry over there. Then you enter the market. What happens? Quick loss. Then you say the system is not working. But thing is, you quickly rushed into the entry without even analyzing what is currently happening in the market. So it is a 3 touch. Yes, it is on the trading plan. What about the positioning though? The trading plan is the last thing. The entry into the market is the last thing, guys. That is the last thing. So taking a trade from there would have been irrational. So as you can see, it quickly transpired into a loss because of the poor positioning, right? And if you also do this and you check, what do I always emphasize on? Make sure your minimum is 3:1. So what do we see over there? It is a 2:7. No, like did I just say it is a 2:7? It is a 1:2. 1:2.7, dog. 1:2, which also invalidates the setup. Doesn't meet the minimum required risk to reward ratio. Simple. Trade avoided. Loss avoided. There was no need to take that loss. Good or bad loss, it would have been a bad loss because of failure of understanding where price is, right? So now I'm not clearly writing off pound dollar buying. It can buy, but it can buy without me because it is a key sell zone area. Also got Euro Kiwi over there. I didn't take that one as I missed it. There's just a few components. Reason why I did not take the trade. Also pound Swiss got some expectations over there, of which I was expecting to go tap in back there, but then also keeping in mind that we're still within that range, so it can just be temporary buying momentum, you know. And it is also going with a reversal structure, if you can check it like that, you know. So yeah, that is basically it. Then I go to Aussie dollar. Also, I'm waiting for the okay. Now I received my bearish momentum. Now you could have again taken another loss here on Aussie dollar, because you're gonna say 1, 2, 3 on the third touch. Let's say you're a person who just like takes trades irrationally. You would have taken that trade exactly when it was at the third touch. Then you would have entered. Then market fast. Then also you're gonna say the system is not working, blah 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 blah. But bro, simply understanding positioning, right? Yo, so like today there's just a lot of technical analysis because you guys were complaining on the previous video. But I wanna give you guys some tips. I don't know why I keep on procrastinating on posting on that channel, bro. I'm gonna post though. I'm gonna post these tips, you know. So now what am I getting? My momentum. Aussie dollar momentum. As I told you, that like the DXY positioning is very good, and I also focused at this. I'll pop the screenshots up here of this focus. So now what I'm gonna be expecting, can you guys tell me what I'm gonna be expecting? Let's see. All right, hopefully you guys said I was expecting to see how we retest. Now let's get this below there. And then we go to the downside. Now look at the potential of this trade. As you can see, that's the next value area over there. We also went there with the with the reversal structure. As you can see over there, if you're a Falcon trader, bro, you can see those gaps. Market constantly leaving gaps, leaving clues before the bigger move, you know. But I'm gonna be covering all of those on the other channel. By the way, make sure you subscribed on that channel. I'll pop it up here on the screen, you know. So, and I've also got euro dollar. I was expecting bearish momentum. Exactly, I'm getting the bearish momentum. The bearish momentum is kicking in. We currently have the signal price action by the daily. As you can see, now we're currently getting our confirmation candlestick with that bearish momentum, daily candlestick momentum coming back into the market, right? So now I am expecting the same thing I'm expecting on euro dollar. I'm expecting continuations below the structure over there. Yo, my hand is tired and my food is getting cold, so let me just eat and I'll update you guys on the vlog, probably when I'm gonna be doing my evening focus. So yeah, stay tuned.
Trading places, look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it start to feel like the feeling's faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent, and then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in.
Hey, what is up, gang? Wow, just closed off a very productive morning, you know, as you also on the previous clip. But thing is, I injured my left thigh, bro. I think my hamstring has a problem. I don't know, but it is paining, dog. As of yesterday, actually, it was paining. But then today, I forced myself to do this shit, and yeah, I got it done. I got it done. So yeah, I mean, it's currently like 20 to 8 in the morning, 20 to 8, and I'm currently setting up my laptop so that I can be able to do my morning forecasting session. Of which today, I think I've got 3 pairs on my watch list, on my daily watch list, not just the overall weekly watch list, on my daily watch list. Of which on my daily watch list, I've put the pairs that are most probably to happen on that day. So yeah, man, I'm about to take you guys to that now, and yeah, I've also got my daily goals written down here, right? And I also did my affirmations. So yeah, man, I've got only like 1 2 3 4 5 goals. Actually, I put down every 5 needle moving goals, goals that are gonna get me closer to the bigger picture. So yeah, man, 5 goals only, of which I'm done with one, of which was to exercise. So yeah, I'm done with that as of now. So I am about to get into the screen and show you guys what I've got on my daily watch list. So yeah, man, before we even go further with the video, man, I created the Telegram group, but I'm going to show you guys also, because I'm going to be sending my daily watch list also onto that Telegram community, not group, community. I mean, like, yeah, man, community. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. And even before I even get to the morning forecasting session, bro. So on the previous video, I was running the 30k giveaways, right? In challenges. So that's 10k, 10k, 10k per person, right? So now, what I saw was, what happened is, I waited, because on that video I said, as soon as you see this video, bro, DM me on my IG, text me on my Instagram, boy. But then one of you guys didn't DM me in time, bro. Like, you didn't DM me in time. I waited the whole day of yesterday. I waited, but you didn't respond. Like, only 2 out of 3 people responded. So I then went to WhatsApp, and I was talking to that guy who was going to give you guys the account, who's the expanding manager of Neoma Funds. And I told him that, like, I'm still waiting on the 3rd person. And then he was like, we've been waiting for too long, pick someone else. Then I just went over to the community and I said, whoever sends me their email first is gonna get the account. Then luckily, I think it was Teddy or Tizzy, I'm not sure about who commented first. Then I just took his email and I added it to the 3rd person, and that's how the giveaway ended up. But then now is also next month there's going to be another giveaway, right? But then the entry criteria is gonna be a bit more, right? It's going to be a bit more, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, without any further waste of time, let us get into the screen and let me show you guys what I've got on my daily watch list. Hey gang, so yeah, this is what is cooking. This is the community, as you can see, Falcon trading community. And yeah, I suppose you saw when I was in the previous clip, as I was accepting some new members into the group. So yeah, you guys can also DM me on my IG and I can give you the link to join the group. Again, strictly Falcon trading community. Yeah, as soon as you enter the community, make sure to introduce yourself. As you can see, people are introducing themselves, and obviously it's going to be some group rules, as you can see, like community rules, as you can see over there. No use of violent language, everyone participates and communicates. So you're not just going to join the community and you're just gonna keep quiet. You might as well just be a lone wolf and don't enter the community. If you enter the community, you gotta be willing to communicate and participate in this community, or else I'm going to remove you, because we're trying to grow each other over here. And yeah, as I told you, like, yes, in the previous clip also, that I recently picked a winner of the 30k and giveaways, and I have been waiting for the 3rd person to DM me, and they haven't, and time is running out, so I have to submit the 3rd email. First one to send their email wins this one left 10k account. Luckily, this guy was online, as you can see, Tezzy Weezy Trades. It was his lucky day, so yeah, the account went to him. The other guy, I was waiting for him. So I also shared the reward program, and I shared the Falcon mechanics, and I can also share the H4 mastery if you guys want me to send it also. So yeah, that is it on the trading community. Currently, like 10 members. Currently got 10 members on the community. So yeah, make sure to DM me on my IG, and I'm gonna send you the link to join the community. Again, Falcon trading community only. So let's see what we've got on our daily watch list. So that's a daily watch list over there. As you can see, there's no pay on my daily watch list. There is no pay on my daily watch list. I had it, but then as I was doing my morning focusing session, price is doing some other stuff, so it's still going to need some time. As you can see, pound dollar over there didn't really tap into the value area, but we got the bearish momentum kicking in. And yeah, I missed some trades. Obviously, there was an entry over there. There was a trade over here, but it was a high risk trade. So I just analyzed my situation, and I did not take the trade because of my situation. That was a high risk trade, but yeah, it was a high risk trade for simplistic reasons. This could have just been a continuation to the upside for price to tap in there and then start going higher up there. So I did not take the trade for those reasons. So I was gonna take the second impulse to the downside. So I'm currently waiting for that. But then now, price is currently retracing back. As you can see, price is currently like retracing back, right? So we might get price going high up there to finally fill in that gap, and then we can start seeing those corrections to the downside. But for now, I'm just going to wait and see what is going to happen. Applying aggressive patience every time, aggressive patience all the time. So yeah, let's just see how that one goes on pound dollar. On pound dollar, let me just zoom in, because I was focusing some continuations over here like this. But let me just go to the next page so that you guys can have some clarity. I don't want to waste time on the technical part because you guys are complaining and stuff like that. So let's see euro dollar. Let's go to euro dollar. Yo, my network is started. So bro, yeah, while there was no network, I was just learning some few stuff about Neoma, I was learning some not about Neoma, like Neoma funds. Neoma funds is living rent free in my mind. But yeah, I was learning more about about Lightroom to be able to edit my thumbnails and stuff like that, and I was also checking, But yeah, man, let me just switch off this thing. Yeah, so just to update you guys on these challenges. So on my Neoma 25k account, I'm currently in drawdown, as you can see over here, right there. As you can see, I'm currently in drawdown. As you can see, I'm currently in drawdown of minus $391, which is okay. I did not calculate the percentages. But I'm currently down at $391. I'm going to calculate the percentages right now, or I'll just pop them up here on the screen for you guys, because by the time you see it, I'm gonna be done calculating. So I'm just gonna pop up here on the screen how much percentage I am down on my 25k two-step account with Neoma Finance. By the way, this is a prop firm, gents. This is a prop firm. If you wanna sign up with them and purchase a prop firm with them, you can click the link in my bio, and yeah, they can set you up. So let's go to Equity Edge to check my live account. So this is a live account, live funded account, right? Firstly, is this a coincidence? I don't think it is a coincidence, bro. As you can see, from the start, it has just been drawn down. From the start, it has just been drawn down throughout the whole challenge. This is not a coincidence, bro. Every level has its own demons. Each and every single level you reach, each floor has its own demons, bro. Cause in March when I got funded, I told you guys that I'm gonna decrease my risk, cause back then, bro, like I just have euphoria, like I just had euphoria to like just trade, get the payouts, you know. So I was like, okay, let me just get used to this level, bro. Let me see if I can stop myself from being impulsive. You see all of these trades are just from being impulsive, boy. I took 3 trades and there was 3 losses. And if I were to show you my trade recap of these trades, all of them trades were invalid trades. All of them trades. And when I say all of them trades have been invalid trades. Invalid trades. Why? I was being impulsive. Because I was happy that, okay, I'm trading a live account, live funded account, let me chop it. You see, that is why I decreased the risk. Luckily for me, not luckily, I was prepared for this, dog. Like, I was prepared for this. Another person would have already blown the account or something. But me, bro, like I'm currently down 39.29 USD, which I think it is negative 1 point something %, you know, of which with my minimum risk to reward ratio, if I can win 2 trades, bro, I'm gonna be back and up in profits. Simple as that, with me reducing my risk, you know. But yeah, man, on Equity Edge, I'll also pop up here on the screen how many percentage am I down on this account, you know. And yeah, that is it, man. That is it on the challenges. I just wanted to update you guys on the challenges. As you can see, there it is, there, dog, minus 39. Yo, my camera quality is not of that good, so the number might not be clear, but yeah, you guys can see, bro. You guys can see I've been funded for like almost close to 30 days now. And yeah, that is how far it is currently happening. Maybe some of you guys is asking yourself, like, number of trades. As you can see, it's 4 trades. I took 3. I think it's 4 because of the lot sizes and differences in prices, you know. But yeah, man, that is that. And yeah, that is that, man. That is that.
I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that.